In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove a credit or debit card on Shein. Whether you're updating your payment methods or clearing out old details, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring a smooth experience. Let's begin by opening the Shein app or navigating to the Shein website on your preferred browser. If you're using the app, make sure it's updated to the latest version to ensure compatibility with the steps we're going to follow. Once you're on the Shein homepage, locate the Me section. This can usually be found at the bottom of the screen on the app, represented by a small icon of a person. Click on this icon to enter your personal account settings. Now that you're in the Me section, you'll see a variety of options related to your account management. Look for the Settings option. This is where you can manage all your personal information related to your Shein account, including payment methods. Go ahead and click Settings to proceed. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll through the list until you find the option labeled My Payment Options. This section is dedicated to managing how you pay for your orders on Shein, encompassing various methods such as saved cards, PayPal, and more. Click on My Payment Options to continue. In the My Payment Options menu, you will see a list of all the current payment methods associated with your account. If you wish to add a new card, you need to select ADD a new card. It's usually highlighted to stand out for easy access. Click on this to proceed to the card entry screen. You've now reached the point where you can enter your new card information. Follow the prompts to input details such as card number, expiry date, security code, and billing address. It's important to double check each field to ensure accuracy, as incorrect information may lead to transaction failures or errors at checkout. Once you've filled out all the necessary information, confirm your entry to save the new card to your account. And there you have it. Adding a new card is just that simple. But what if you want to remove an existing card? It's just as easy. Head back to the My Payment Options menu, locate the card you wish to remove, and select the option to delete it. Confirm your choice and the card will be removed from your list of payment methods. This process ensures your payment information stays current and relevant, helping you avoid unnecessary complications during checkout. By managing your payment options directly within the app or website, you maintain complete control over how you choose to shop and pay for your favorite items. Thank you for tuning in today. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides.